Hey guys, it's Rick with Rick Sells Tools on eBay and YouTube, back with another one. This set will be live on eBay by the time you see this video. This is a 3/8 drive deep snap-on socket set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pieces deep snap-on. Sizes 19 millimeter, 18 millimeter, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. No skips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 piece set. They do have owner's marks if you care, though it's very hard to see. I'm seeing what the camera sees and it's showing up okay there, but when I'm holding them, certain ways I hold it, I can't even see it. So anyway, it's TMG. I think they all have it, but they're snap-ons. They're in great shape. And I'll put what the full retail is off of Snap-on's website right here, right now. So let me show you these individually. I'll give you the number and the size and the quality. So this is 19 millimeter SFS M19. That's the first one. Next one is SFS M18. And when I'm done reading these off, I'll bring the camera in and give you a real good close-up. SFS SM17. SFS M16, 16 millimeter. These sockets are in great shape. SFS M15, 15 millimeter. Go check these out on eBay, Rick Sells Tools. 14 millimeter SFS M14. SFS M13, 13 millimeter. SFS M12, 12 millimeter. SFS M11, 11 millimeter. SFS M10, 10 millimeter. Last one, SFS M9, 9 millimeter. So again, snap-on, deep chrome socket set, 3/8 drive, 6-point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 piece set. And let me get the camera and I'll give you a quick close-up. Okay, here's the close-up. And I'll do my best to show you the drives. I did clean these. I soaked them all in Simple Green. There you go, everybody. Thanks for watching. Check them out on Rick Sells Tools. Tons more videos coming. Like and subscribe. See you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.